Yeah, alright, guys. Good morning. Good morning to you. How was our night? I trust it was good. Yep. So I just want to mark out my one, the usual drill. I just want to go straight to the point. Yeah. So I was kind of up to like around 4 a.m. this morning. Yeah. So I took some trades overnight. Yeah, I took some trades overnight. So I don't know if you can even see this yet. Let me change this template. I'm coming. Alright, so this is the usual of this thing. So yesterday, this was the demand zone that I marked out on BTC yesterday. So this demand zone right here. So, but one thing I noticed, I already placed a buy order around here. So the moment market got here, it got triggered. So if you look at this, liquidity got swept. So sometimes I myself do make my mistakes. This whole zone is a liquidity here and it actually needs to be taken out. But then you can see right here that liquidity got taken out and price reacted off that zone immediately. So I took a loss on that and I'm currently on profit today. Yep. So I'll just let it run. Before the end of the day, so that we can full people. Yeah, and probably I'll move my stops to break even. I'll take partials because I actually took a loss yesterday night on gold. And funny enough, it was running well. It was actually doing well, but then let me remove this. So I took 2 trades here. Take this away. So this was the first trade I took. Let me remove this. Was my back testing section. So this was the first trade I took. So that one hit the profit. Then I took another one. I took 2 trades yesterday. So this one, I actually took this one only because I saw that market was actually like going down and it was going to get to our demand zone or just react off it or take out New York low. So I know price was actually eventually going to react from that level here. So you can see I think I had one. Okay, they are out there. So I was really expecting that much. But then I took this, then I was expecting price to, if you can see, you can see price actually reacted off our demand zone right here. The price reacted off our demand zone. I was up in profits. The normal me would have taken partials, but I was just like, let it run. So far, price already reacted off that level. But then I woke up this morning to see this. So the trade was a losing trade. So let me take a screenshot. I've never taken a screenshot then. So I can journal. Sorry about that. So we're feeling another day. So okay, that's that for that. So I have to delete this whole object tree. So I want to start from scratch again, map out my zones. Wonder if we can go out there. Let me leave it. So let's start from good today. So let me go to my 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see clearly we have. So yesterday, there was a trade that was actually a winner for me. So there was this gap that that was visible upon pre-Asian market open. If you can see, let me see, it's actually underlined. So that's the session break. This right here was that gap. So as the gap came, it actually took price down, and I was running on profit. Yeah, so I think that was it. The only thing is just structure setup. That's it. That's just the catch about it. There's no catch about it. Wait for your supply or demand zone to be indicated. Make sure to look out for liquidity. Very, very important. That was the mistake I made yesterday. If probably had looked out for liquidity, then I wouldn't have got stopped out on BTC USD. So we keep learning anyways. Keep learning. So because I thought price was actually doing well this night, so maybe it's not going to go that low and so on and so forth. And eventually, yeah. So this one in trading, you're going to record losses. That one is the normal thing, but your loss should not be more than your wins. So that's all. So my main accounts, I grew it from 5k to 13k. So just trading supply and demand. That was I grew the account actually. I actually did some risky buys then, but I think everything paid off. So yep, so that would be all for XAUSD. Let me go down to my 5 minutes. Okay, I think that's the visible zone there that I can pinpoint as AsianI. But then AsianI is kind of risky to trade off. Why? Because liquidity is usually resting there. So if I'm going to take any trade off, I'll wait for liquidity to be taken out first before I can make any move on that. So for that. Yeah. So I think we have a fresh demand zone. I want to delete this. You can see right here. The liquidity of it. I already placed the trade already. The market came down like immediately. I can't took out we retail traders here. So when I saw that market was actually, so I entered around this zone. When I saw the market broke this significant high, that was when I entered. So I didn't, because the price might actually enter that zone back and maybe give you a reaction that it wants to go up and comes back down. So I was very, 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 very careful. So now I should have been taking partial spots. I'll just let it run though. If probably I want to take partials, I'll have taken partials out 1 to 1 hour. Okay, it's not there yet. Not there yet, so I'll just let it run. Yeah, I wanted to mark out the news on there. Yeah, so there's a new. Let me delete this. So what actually gave me extra confirmation I was looking for was imbalance, this fair value gap that was okay. When I do I saw that fair value gap, I was so confident. I just took this, I took the buy. I didn't wait for anything. So I'm expecting price to get for going back up. Hopefully, but I'll take partials on this anyways. So even if price eventually goes back down, I won't be on a loss. So I think that's what I'll be doing now, because even yesterday I had a nice setup on USD. I think I talked about it, but greedy I did not. You can look at price now. Price actually took me out, and I was almost at 3 hour and I did not take partials. Let's say 3.5 and I did not take partials. So I actually took another trade yesterday when price reacted off. I think this was when I entered the trade. The market actually broke out of the market, broke out of the zone, But then, it was a loss, So I don't take this out because I record my wins and my loss. So that was a loss. So I'll have to make do with another zone today. Trading can be two ways sometimes. So this trade I also paid that thing, but nevertheless, there are still better setups. Anyways. Let me take this out. That's all. That's my valid demand zone here. The short section was a little bit choppy, just going up and down. But then actually created a resistance level around here. The price didn't really hand up here because I haven't really broken out of that level. So I'm expecting London to take maybe the high. That's looking like the high is going to be broken though. The high and eventually comes back to take out the low. So I'll be looking out for that. So GBP USD. Did I take any bid on this? Nope. Oh, okay. I think because of this break, I kind of find that this one invalid. It was a significant break off that level. And there was demands on there actually, but let me delete this. I was looking at prices actually when we had enough that level. But then I'm not going to take any risks this morning. Don't mind my word though. Forex is about risks. You can take risks. Then very valid zone. Could have counted this as a valid zone. If this was my zone, I would have just looked out for liquidity and take a buy to the upside. But then price already mitigated that zone already, so I would look for. Okay, let me go to 30 minutes. So I go to the 30 minutes, mark out my zone from there and take it down to the 5-minute time frame. And that's where I look for my entries. Because if you have to stick with your 30 minutes all day long, trust me, you might not even get a setup level. 5 minutes. My notes. So it's our zone here. I move my alerts to this area. So I'll be on. And GBPY. So the trade I took on GBPY actually eventually it's at full TP. That was this a 3R. I think it was almost a 3R. That's 2.8. So actually did well. It actually took a while though, but that's just be confident about your setup actually. So sometimes you might see a reversal and price eventually goes back to your intended location or direction. So but then just be confident and sometimes take partials. Something like me. Take partials is very, very important. So let me delete this. Let me delete this. fresh zones that I can mark out on. There's nothing really on. Okay, there's nothing really on JPY, and there's going to be news coming out. So there was a news that happened. I think that was what brought about the draft that happened on Gold Safe. There was a news that I later went to check. There was a news event. I think JPY what's it called, CPI, Japanese CPI news. So that was what happened yesterday. So the market actually moved up during the chain section. So take this out. Yep. So we're expecting price to head to that level. Then take off our buys from there. Here's the JPY. That'll be the last. Sorry, this video actually took long. Yeah, I did not. Oh, did I set price alert? Oh, no, I didn't. So I said, okay, I don't take this setup. No, I did not enter this trade. I can't remember anyways, but I enter this trade. You can see the reason why. Looking out for liquidity before you enter, before you place a trade on your demand or supply link. You can see there is consolidation right here. Let me just mark this up there for me. So this consolidation, yeah, everything got taken out. Price now came back to react. After liquidity got taken out, price plunged down and came back to react to this supply zone. But then my price alert was not on that, so I would have taken the trade anyways. What time was it? 5:30. 6 o'clock. I was now awake then, sure. So I think this is a missed trade, so I would probably go for mark out the fresh one, so I'm to delete this. So I'm expecting price to come back here. So that'll be all for today. So I even want to add more currency pairs to currency pairs that I've backtested here, but that actually gives me more win rates than this normal, but JPY pairs actually gives me more win rates than any other. JPY yesterday gave me 3 RR, so look up on that. Yes, it does well sometimes. XAU gold is not for the weak. I'm just use that language. So I think that'll be all for today. Sorry, so the video was too long. Yeah, so I'll see you again tonight. Stay blessed and have a nice day.